Hi, this is Rich, WB5YBZ, and sometimes when you're running contests or you're working contests and you're using N3FJP and you're going to submit it to ARRL, and there's some little things that you might want to know how to do it if you haven't done it before. So let's go right on over to the computer, and thanks so much for watching. All right, you've worked all these contexts and your N3FJP software, and if you look at field day, here's the web address up here, field day 2023, and you want to put your entry form. What I did is I just put my call sign, WB5YBZ. I'm located in Oklahoma. The go-to station, I did not have a go-to station. I did have a club station that was Okapa in Oklahoma City. Number of participants was 1 and 1 transmitter. And I used home station, which is it was the 1D. Commercial generator, or commercial means just your power source right here. I was running 100 watts or less. So I got 2 times the points. That was pretty neat. Let's see. Okay. Then if you have bonuses, which I did not have any bonuses, that's you can check all these if you had some bonuses. And choose your file. Now down here it says choose your file, dupe sheet or Capello file. So I have already made a file, but I'm going to go back over to the software, and you come up here to the file, and you go write a Capello file, and you click this, and I named mine my call sign in 2023. So hopefully I'm an old guy, but hopefully I'll be here for 2024. So I named it 2023. And what I did is I just put 2023 right in here. And that's what I named my file. So and then you can save it, and you got to look where it is up here. And so I'll get out of here. And this, you want to keep this because this is real interesting. You'll need this to fill out some more forms. Right over here, let's see. Oh, down here. So when you choose a file, you can go like this, choose a file. And mine's in documents. And here, field day, and I want to go down to this particular one, and I click it, and I hit open, and then it shows you your file that you made. All right, remember this area right in here that I was telling you about? Well, what you do is you look, you had I had one contact on phone, and I was running 100 watts. So I'll go here and I'll say QSO's digital CW phone, and I had 1 QSO at 100 watts. On 40 meters, I had 28. So I'll put 28, 100 watts. I think it's 37 here. I'm putting it this because it remembers, but I'm just going to show you what on 20 meters also I had 1 with 100 watts. 15 meters I had 1 with 100 watts. And let's see, what do I have on sideband on 15? Had 37. Okay, 37 and 2 on 10. Or 37, Okay, whoa. Sorry about that. I had 40 phone contacts. 40 phone contacts on 15 and 2 on 10. So we go back. We put 40, 100 watts, and 10. Let's see, 100 watts, 2. And then if you have I got a bonus, the station operators, and you go that, you hit your name, call sign, your email address, and then you just hit submit form. And once you do that, you get a little email that says, congratulations, you've successfully submitted your field day. So that's how to do it. Thanks so much for watching. 73.